It's Ivy, and it's time for Dollar General's Do Now deals this week for $12.29 to $1.4, and we are actually doing Do Now deals on the gang 4 for $12 right here. Okay, so you need to read it to see exactly what it is. So they hung a hung tag. You got to do all 4 forms. If you have all 4, now usually it glitches and you can do 4 of each one if you want to, and just have 4 dryer sheets or 4 liquid softeners or 4 detergents, so it tells you exactly which ones they work on. Read that, because the liquid is not a part of it. Okay, liquid fabric softener, low fireworks, see, they're not. These are the 4 we'll be using: the fireworks, the dryer sheets, the flings, the dryer sheets, the fireworks, and the fabric softener. And we also have 4 coupons to go with it. You only can use 1 coupon if you read it. Limit 1 coupon per purchase, 1 coupon per household per day. So you should only be using 1 of these. If you're at a store where they don't really read the coupons, you might can get away with them. But if not, you're going to only be able to use 1. Now, of course, I cut out 4 because I want to use 4, and that's what I'm hoping for, right? But we're going to scan and see what the rules of the 4 off 12 are. Okay, this is $4.50. It is the flings, 14 count. Now, you have a number of coupons. Spend 30, save 8 on P&G products, period. 4 for 12. You want to hit that one because that's the one you'll be doing this week. Then you have save 5 after you spend 30 on P&G laundry. Now, see all of these coupons, what they have in common, they're all Dollar General coupons, so they should not stack. But this coupon right here will stack with this, because this is what we call a manufactured coupon. Okay, the company is the one who put the coupon out, not the store. So that's why this will go along with it. So we're going to use this one for now. Okay, so that's $12 minus the 4 $1 coupons, leave you at $8. Divide that by 4, you're going to pay $2 each for each one of those gang flings. That's 4 for 12. Excuse my voice, guys, I'm still getting over this hoarseness from this cold. If you have anything in your wallet, by all means use money in your wallet to lower your out of pocket. Now let's get to another gang product that we have. It's going to be on the Gain Aroma flings. It's the 46 ounce. These are gang deals. See this 46 ounce? We're going to scan that. Okay, and it tells us that it is $5.50. Again, you have 3 sets of coupons. You have a $1 off gang, and it is a Dollar General coupon, but I call this a dual coupon because not only are you using it for Tide, you can use it for Gain and Tide, but just that 1 coupon. So you have to take your pick, okay? Then you have the spend 30, save 8 on P&G products, and then you have the spend 30, save 5 on P&G laundry you can use. Now, because that is a Dollar General coupon, we can use it on the laundry detergent. But read it closely. 1 gang liquid laundry detergent, 46 ounce or gang flings, okay? So you can use it on that. So the digital plus this plus that coupon, so $5.50. Take away that Dollar General coupon, then take away that manufacturer coupon, paying $3.50 for this gang right here. Okay, so that's a great deal also. Okay, the next gang product we're going to grab, we're going to pick up a Gang Ultra right here in the little lock cabinet, $9.95. Let's scan it. $9.95. A number of coupons again. Again, you have the spend 30, save 8, spend 30, save 5, and then you have the 2 for 15. Okay, Dollar General coupons, they do not stack. 2 for $15. Let's hit that and read it. And look at the products that is served. So you can do it like this. You got about 2 forms. Gain 100 ounce, gain firework, gain sheets, or gain laundry detergent. Okay. These are all the products that matches. The ones that's $9.95. Okay. So hit that coupon 2 for $15. Another set of coupons you're going to pick up is these papers. Now, I did tell you guys who to buy them from, who to buy. She'll mail you overflowed coupons. You pay for postage and handling only, not the coupons, okay? So this is a part of the coupon. Now, one is $2 off on laundry detergent, and it tells you what it covers, okay? And that'll cover these flings right here. That one coupon will. Now this, you're gonna scan that. Okay, $9.95. 3 coupons again. Spend 30, save 8. Spend 30, save 5. And then 2 for $15. When we pop that open, the flings are a part of it, right? Or the fireworks. Now, you also have a coupon. Fireworks are a part of it. Make sure they're in there. Scent Booster 9.1. Scent Booster 12.2 and up. Okay. 2 for $15. For $2 off each one of these. 2 for $11. That's a great deal also. Now, if you want to get even better than that, you can get 2 of these or 2 of those. But it's the coupon that you're trying to make sure works for you, okay? This is a manufactured coupon, and that is a Dollar General coupon. So they will stack together, okay? So 2 for $15. 15. Take 2 off the Scent Booster and take 2 off the flings. Makes it 2 for $11 divided by 2. You're paying $5.50. Now, $5.50. This one is $5.50 without coupons. So do your math, okay? And this one is $4.50, I believe, right here. So do your math. And then this one is $5. So you're just getting a good deal from these, all right? So let's get to one more deal that I told you work. See this tied with Downy. Remember I told you had a dual coupon on one of them. This is tied with Downy. It is a P&G product. Okay, it is 34 fluid ounces. Let's scan it. Okay, $5.50. A number of coupons again. That $1 D&G coupon right there. It works on Tide and Gain. All right, make sure you have the correct sizes. And we do. Here is the dollar coupon that matches to that, okay? So that means $5.50, $1 off digital, $1 off paper, $3.50. Right? $5.50, $1 off digital, DG coupon, and then $1 off of a paper, okay? Makes that $3.50. So yes, you're getting great deals, guys. These deals kind of repeated themselves from last week, but only we were doing the 4 for $20. These are 4 for $12. All right, we're gonna try to get them as low as possible.